Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learn English Naturally, where we turn everyday English into something fun, natural, and totally doable. I'm your host, Emma.
Hi, Emma. Hello to all our amazing listeners tuning in from every corner of the world. It's always a highlight being here with you.
Hi, Ethan. You look extra cheerful today. That smile is huge. I can already feel this is going to be a super useful and enjoyable episode.
I'm buzzing because today we're doing something super practical that so many of you have been asking for, a full daily English conversation practice session. Real dialogues you can actually say out loud every single day to build real speaking confidence.
Yes, no boring grammar rules, no long explanations, just short, natural conversations you can copy, practice, and start using tomorrow in real life.
But first, quick favor, friends. If these episodes are helping you speak more naturally, please hit that like button right now.
And subscribe to Learn English Naturally so you never miss a new one. We drop these every week to keep you going.
Share this episode with a friend who's also working on their speaking. Practicing together makes it twice as fun and keeps you both accountable.
All right, let's jump in. Ethan, how do we actually make daily conversation practice something we stick to?
The key is keeping it short and realistic. Pick one dialogue per day, say it out loud 5 to 10 times, record yourself once or twice a week, and slowly change the words to make it your own.
And act it out. Pretend you're really talking to someone. Smile, use gestures, change your tone. It makes a huge difference.
Okay, let's start with the first daily must-have, morning routine chat. You can practice this while making breakfast or getting ready.
Good morning. Did you sleep well?
Morning. Yeah, pretty good actually. I crashed as soon as my head hit the pillow. You?
Same. I was so tired last night. Coffee is life right now.
Tell me about it. I'm already on my second cup. Want some toast? I'm making extra.
Yes, please. That would be amazing. Any plans for today?
Work in the morning, then maybe gym later if I have energy. You?
Meetings all morning, but free in the afternoon. Thinking of going for a walk if the weather stays nice.
Sounds perfect. Have a great day.
You too. See you later.
See? 2 minutes max. Do this every morning and it becomes automatic.
Now, let's do something we all need. Small talk with coworkers or neighbors. Super useful and low pressure.
Morning. This weather is wild today, isn't it? Rain since I woke up.
I know. I got soaked just walking from the car. Did you bring an umbrella?
Luckily, yes, but it's useless in this wind. Fingers crossed it stops soon.
Same. The forecast says more all day. Any indoor plans if it keeps raining?
Probably just work and maybe watch a movie tonight. You?
Work and then cozy up with tea and a book. Best rainy day combo.
Totally agree. Anyway, have a good one.
You too. See you around.
Weather is the safest small talk ever. Everyone has something to say about it.
Next up, catching up with a friend. This one's great for warmer, longer chats.
Hey, long time no see. Have you been?
Hey, wow, it's been forever. I've been good, just super busy with work. You?
Same here. Work is crazy, but I can't complain. Anything fun happen lately?
Actually, yes. I started yoga classes. It's helping me relax so much.
That's awesome. I've been meaning to try that. How is it?
Really good. A bit hard at first, but now I feel so much calmer. What about you?
I finally started learning guitar. It's slow progress, but I'm enjoying it.
No way. That's so cool. We should catch up properly soon. Coffee this weekend?
Yes, definitely. I'll text you to set a time.
Perfect. Talk soon.
Talk soon. Take care.
Now, let's practice something super practical, ordering at a cafe or restaurant.
Hi, can I get a large cappuccino, please, with oat milk if possible?
Sure, oat milk is fine. Anything to eat today?
Yeah, can I add a chocolate croissant?
Coming right up. That'll be 6:20.
Here you go. Thanks.
Thank you. Enjoy your coffee.
Thanks. Have a great day.
You too.
See? 2 minutes max. Do this every morning and it becomes automatic.
One more daily essential, talking on the phone or video call with family or friends.
Hey, how are you doing today?
Hey, I'm good. Just finished work. You?
Pretty good. Just chilling at home. How was your day?
Busy, but okay. Meetings all morning. What about you?
Same, but I had a nice lunch break. Watched a funny video.
Nice. Send it to me later. Anyway, I should go make dinner.
Okay, talk later.
Yes, talk later. Love you.
Love you too. Bye.
Bye. Perfect for daily check ins. Keep it light and real.
Let's add more real life situations you can practice every day.
Great. How about asking for directions when you're lost?
Excuse me, sorry to bother you. Could you tell me how to get to the train station?
Sure. Go straight down this street, turn left at the big red building, then it's about 5 minutes on your right.
Thank you so much. I really appreciate it.
No problem at all. Safe travels.
Now, buying something simple in a shop.
Hi, do you have the shirt in medium?
Let me check. Yes, here's one. Would you like to try it on?
Yes, please. Also, is there a fitting room?
Right over there. Take your time.
Thanks. I'll be quick.
No rush. Let me know if you need another size.
How about complimenting someone? Great for building connections.
I love your jacket. Where did you get it?
Thanks. I got it from a little shop downtown. It's super comfy.
It looks great on you. The color really suits you.
Thank you. That's so nice to hear.
Now, apologizing for being late.
I'm so sorry I'm late. Traffic was horrible.
No worries at all. Happens to everyone. Did you find parking okay?
Eventually. Thanks for waiting.
Of course. Let's order now.
Yes, please. I'm starving.
Asking for help at work.
Hey, do you have a minute? I'm stuck on this report.
Sure, what's up? Show me.
I can't get the chart to update. Any idea?
Try refreshing the page first. If not, let's restart the program.
You're a lifesaver. Thanks.
Anytime. Let me know if it works. Talking about weekend plans.
Any fun plans this weekend?
Yeah, going hiking with friends. What about you?
Just relaxing at home. Maybe watch a new series.
Sounds nice and chill. Which series?
That new mystery one everyone's talking about.
I'll check it out. How fun.
You too enjoy the hike.
Complaining lightly about something small.
This printer is driving me crazy. It keeps jamming.
I know, it's been like that all week. Have you tried the other one?
Good idea. Thanks for the tip.
No problem. Fingers crossed.
Asking for someone's opinion.
What do you think about this idea?
I like it, but maybe we can make it simpler?
Yeah, you're right. Simpler is better.
Glad you think so. Let's tweak it.
Now, saying goodbye after a meeting.
Okay, that was great. Thanks for your time.
Thank you too. I'll send you the notes later.
Perfect. Talk soon.
Talk soon. Have a good rest of your day.
Asking about someone's family.
How's your family doing?
They're good. Mom just started a new hobby, painting.
That's cool. Tell her I said hi.
Will do. How's yours?
All good. Dad's still obsessed with gardening.
Classic. Give him my regards.
Will do. See ya.
See ya.
And one last one. Dealing with a small mistake.
Oops, sorry. I spilt a bit of coffee.
No big deal. Happens all the time.
Let me clean it up.
I got it. Don't worry.
Thanks. You're too kind.
So that's 20 more real dialogues you can add to your daily practice rotation.
Mix them up. One day do morning chat, the next day ordering food, then directions, compliments, apologies. You get the idea.
Do 1 or 2 every day. In just 10 to 15 minutes, you'll see huge improvement in your fluency.
Now your turn. In the comments, tell us which dialogue you're going to practice tomorrow morning, or write your own short version of one.
We read every comment and love seeing your practice. It really makes our day.
Thank you so much for hanging out with us today.
You're doing the work every day, and that's incredible. Keep practicing, keep talking, and remember, you've got this.
We'll catch you next time with more everyday English that actually works in the real world.
Bye, everyone. Take care.
Bye. Talk soon.